Hi there, my name is Grace Amondi. I'm a GIS developer at ICPAC. ICPAC is IGAD's Climate Prediction and Application Center that offers climate services to 11 member states of the region. So today I'm excited to present to you the East Africa Drought Watch, which is a system that we have been working in collaboration with the JRC to develop. So this system monitors drought conditions in East Africa in near real time. The region itself is made up of 60% arid and semi-arid lands, which are prone to frequent and severe droughts, making it one of the most vulnerable regions in Africa. And these conditions have been increasing in severity and frequency over the years, hence the need to monitor them. So the East Africa Drought Watch system, the very first of its kind, is a near real-time system that uses Earth observation as well as weather station data to monitor drought conditions in East Africa. So it is adopted from EDO, which is the European Drought Observatory, and adapted to the conditions of East Africa. Within the homepage itself, you'll be able to see the latest situation of drought using the combined drought indicator, which is an indicator that integrates both agricultural and meteorological drought. So the indicator itself has 5 classes. We have the watch, warning, and alert class, as well as 2 other recovery classes. Watch areas represent areas that have experienced rainfall deficit. Warning areas show areas that have experienced soil moisture deficit following rainfall deficit, while alert areas represent areas that have experienced vegetation stress following both rainfall and soil moisture deficit. So on the side, you'll be able to see a list of countries in order of the stress levels they experience in proportion to the size of the country. So going to the map viewer, where you'll be able to interact with various layers related to drought, you'll be able to see the other 2 recovery classes of the combined drought indicator. So the partial recovery class shows areas that have recovered to their normal meteorological conditions, while the full recovery class shows areas that have recovered to both their normal meteorological as well as agricultural conditions. So the combined drought indicator is an integration of 3 layers, that is the standardized precipitation index, FAPA anomaly, as well as the soil moisture anomaly. So the standardized precipitation index monitors the occurrence of meteorological droughts, and the lower the SPI, the more intense the drought. So it spans from extremely dry to extremely wet. This is generated from the monthly total precipitation sourced from the Global Precipitation Climatology Center. Also, the FAPA anomaly monitors agricultural drought conditions relating to the growth and productivity of vegetation. So the lower the FAPA anomaly, the more intense the drought. The soil moisture anomaly is another layer that is integrated into the combined drought indicator, and it's able to determine the start and the duration of agricultural drought conditions arising from soil moisture availability dropping to a level that it adversely affects crop production, hence affecting agricultural yield. So in addition to these layers, we have geographical background data such as the Köppen climate classification. We also have soil type layers, land use layer, as well as thermal regions. So we are looking to integrate more layers within the system that are related to drought. Now, as mentioned earlier, the system is also able to generate reports, and in this case, to generate a report, you'll simply enable the combined drought indicator, zoom to an area of interest, click on a point, and then generate a report. So this time series report is based on a point, a latitude and a longitude. We are currently working to have this generated for an administrative boundary as well. So within the report, you'll be able to see the combined drought indicator, a map surrounding the region of interest, also heat map showing the combined drought impact levels over time for the last 3 years, also a time series map analysis that shows the combined drought indicator impact levels over time. By default, we have it to the last 3 years, and this is able to show a very nice pattern or a trend in the combined drought indicator. So we also have the other layers, the monthly precipitation, the standardized precipitation index, also the FAPA anomaly, the soil moisture anomaly. So this is still in development, and we are working to improve and add more features such as interactivity within the report as well as a download functionality. We are also looking to make this report automated such that subscribed users will be able to receive these reports periodically on their emails. If you'd like to learn more about how these indicators as well as datasets are developed, you can always click on the Learn More link here, or within the map viewer, you can click on the info icon right here, go to the Learn More button, and then it will redirect you to each and every fact sheet that represents this dataset. So we are very much excited to launch this system, and we are looking forward to you interacting with it at droughtwatch.icpac.net. We are also looking forward to hearing from you. You can always reach us out via our contact form or our feedback form. Leave us a message and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you.